Hi guys, this is Ujjwala Prabhu. Welcome back to my channel You Explore. I hope you all are fine and staying at home. Be positive, stay healthy and happy. You must have enjoyed my previous videos about Nainital, isn't it? Today we are going to explore lakes of Nainital district. Are you ready guys? Let's go! First we'll visit Bhimtal. It is 24 kilometers from Nainital. Enjoy the beautiful journey with me. Guys, we are at Bhimtal. There are 7 lakes in Nainital district. Bhimtal is the largest among them. Oh, look at the ducks. You can enjoy feeding them. Check out this view. Amazing. There is Bhimeshwar temple just adjacent to this lake. Look at the mountain ranges. This place is famous for paragliding too. There is a small island in the middle of the lake, has aquarium. This place is calm, peaceful and beautiful. Crystal clear blue water make us forget everything. Here I enjoyed balloon ride too. Felt as if I am floating in the water. Nice fun time. Guys, let us go to another lake. It is just 2 kilometers away from Bhimtal. Here we are at Nakuchia Tal. It is 9-cornered lake fed by an underwater springs, deepest among 7 lakes. Oh, look at this beautiful view. It's amazing guys. Lake is surrounded by hills and covered by trees and shrubs. This lake offers us infinite peace. When I sat here, I forget my fatigue in a moment. An ideal destination for nature lovers. This place offers us number of activities like paragliding, parasailing, boating, horse riding and nature walks too. Weather was really nice, warm and little sunny, so I could enjoy the fullest. One must visit this place if you visit Nainital. Let's go back to Nainital. Enjoy beautiful journey with me. Guys, we reached Nainital city. Naini Lake is parallel to Mall Road, amidst of the city. The beauty here is enough to make anyone crazy. You can hire a boat to enjoy the surrounding beauty of the lake. When you say lake, it comes in mind about weather, beauty and boating. Are you ready guys? Let's go for boating. We are sure we are nearing to the shore. I am sure you all are enjoying with me. Guys, I enjoyed a lot. Scenic beauty of this lake make us relax. It is very difficult to express beauty in words. Gush of strong wind shows the sign of raining. Oh, it's raining. Nature makes us feel we are at hill station. Let's have a walk on Mall Road. It's bliss for people who love walking. One can go for a long walk, breathe fresh air and enjoy the scenic beauty of this place. Guys, great place to chill and to do shopping too. It's evening 6. It is time to take some rest. After that, we'll go to visit Naina Devi temple. Naina Devi temple is just besides the lake. Let's seek the blessings of Goddess Naina Devi. Here you can enjoy famous momos of Nainital and shopping too. Here our day ended. Guys, I am sure you must have enjoyed scenic beauty of these lakes with me. Thanks for being with me. I will be back with more videos. Till then, goodbye.